Hi there, my name is Richard McMunn from the psychometric testing company mypsychometrictest.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to give you a number of abstract reasoning test questions to practice. I'm going to give you some tips on how to gain the highest scores possible, and then I'm going to get you guys to have a go trying a few questions yourself. Now, before I get into those abstract reasoning test questions and answers, a very warm welcome to this tutorial. My name is Richard McMunn. That's me there in the centre, and I've been helping people to pass their psychometric tests for many years now, and I always focus on giving you sample test questions to try, which is what I'm going to do during this tutorial. So please do stick around and watch it from beginning to end. Please also make sure you subscribe by clicking that red button below the video, and that way you will get to hear straight away. You'll be the first to know when I upload any kind of career-related videos to this channel, and I'm uploading about 6 videos a week now. Also, I would very much appreciate it if you gave the video a like. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get straight into an abstract reasoning test question. Question number 1. Which shape comes next in the series? So we have these squares with patterns in them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to know which one would come next. And we have a number of choices. We have choice A, choice B, choice C, and choice D. Now, these test questions are timed. Now, if you are inexperienced with abstract reasoning test questions, then these will just look a mass of confusing squares with different shaded black and white colours in them and shapes. However, there is an easy way to tackle these questions, which I'm going to come on to right now. So all you need to do is simply look for sequences or patterns as the series progresses from number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also, I'm going to refer to this a couple of times during this tutorial, and I'd like you to take a note of it, is to use a process of elimination. That is the fastest way to answer abstract reasoning test questions. So all you need to do, first of all, is pick one particular element of the first shape, the first square. So we'll take that one in the top left. And then if we move across to 2, we see that it moves down one place. So that dark grey shaded square moves down one place. And then with number 3, it moves down one further. And then it starts again at the top. So that is a sequence. So we've got one sequence. Now, the 5th one, if we go what would come next, if it's there, it would need to be in that position. So then we go across to the bottom, A, B, C, and D, and we simply rule out which ones where there isn't a grey shaded square in the centre there. So A there isn't, and also C there isn't. So you can see that grey shaded square at number 2 position. We know the answer is either B or D. So then what we can do is move across to this next part here, this sort of inverted L shape. So let's take that top part, and then when we move across to number 2, we see it goes to the beginning again, and then it moves to the right, and then it goes up one. So in the pattern, it would need to be at that position. So all we do is go back to the bottom ones from B and D and look for which one is in that position, and it is in fact B. So B is the answer. Now, once you get used to this and you try a few of them, I'm going to get you to have a go at these in a second yourself. But once you get used to these, you'll become really quick. So don't forget, look for sequences and patterns as the series progresses and use a process of elimination. So now it's your turn. Please put your answer to question number 2 in the comments section below the video for marking, and we'll come on here each day and we'll answer them for you. So here we go. Which shape comes next in the series? So you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the answer options are A, B, C, or D. Now this blue thing on the right hand side is a timer. I'm only going to give you 15 seconds to tackle this. If you find that is not enough time, please pause the video, because the important thing is you learn and that you get the answer correct. So here we go. Which shape comes next in the series? A, B, C, or D? Here we go. Okay, well done. So hopefully you managed to answer that question. If you manage to answer it in that time limit, you're doing really well. So let's have a go at another one. Here, try another one. Try question number 3. Again, please put your answer to question number 3 in the comment section below. A little bit tougher. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, what comes next in the series? And there's your answer options A, B, C, and D. So you've got the time. It takes that timer to go down to the bottom to put your answer to question number 3 in the comment section below. Here we go. Brilliant, well done. Okay, so let's increase it a little bit. Let's now take a look at a different type of abstract reasoning test question that is real common during abstract reasoning tests. It's a little bit harder. Again, which shape comes next in the series? Now, this looks like a number of dominoes. Okay, so you've got black circle dots at the top, at the bottom, and there's different numbers throughout. We have to decide from the answer options which comes next here. Now, the way to tackle these is simply look for increasing or decreasing numbers of black dots, either moving from left to right, so left to right, or from top to bottom as that sequence progresses. So, using our same process as the last question, start in the top left and count the numbers. You've got 3. Move across, you've got 3. You've got 1. You've got 1. Now that tells me that there isn't a definitive sequence or pattern. So I can remove that. It's not going across from top left and then moving across to the right. So we'll start again with the top one and then go down on the second series here. We'll have a look at the bottom one. So we've got a pattern. We'll go 3, 2, and then go back up to the top, 1, and then 3. So there's a pattern, 3, 2, 1, 3. So that would tell me that that would need to be 2. So doing what we did before, if you remember, doing a process of elimination, decide which ones don't have 2 on the top. A doesn't, and B and D doesn't, so it's either B or C. Then start at the bottom left. We've got 4, go to the top, the same sequence, 3, 2, 1. So there's a definitive pattern there, 4, 3, 2, 1, which means there needs to be a number 4. So the correct answer, of course, is B. And again, using a process of elimination, you can answer these really, really quickly. So have a go at this one. Please put your answer to question 5 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here we go. Which shape comes next in the series? So we need to decide which ones come here. Is it A, B, C, or D? And you've got the time it takes that timer to come down to put your answer to question 5 in the comments section below. Here we go. Okay, well done, brilliant. Let's now try a different type of abstract reasoning test question. Let's get a little bit harder as we progress. Which shape comes next in the series? Okay, so again, looking at this, we just have a mass of different shapes. We've got circles with different colours, shaded parts. We've got a diagonal line on here, and we need to decide which one comes next in the series from A, B, C, or D. Now again, using the exact same process that you and I used before, let's pick one particular element and see how it progresses along the sequence. So let's choose what we're going to do is simply look for movements in shapes and patterns as before and use that process of elimination. So there's that diagonal line from the center to the bottom left. As it progresses along, it goes to the top left, then to the top right, and then to the bottom right, which means on the next one it would need to be in that position. So again, using our process of elimination, decide from A, B, C, or D where there is not a line in that position, and C doesn't have one, nor does D. So it's either A or B. Now let's choose a different part, and I'm going to choose those 2 white circles there. As we move across to T, so at the moment in 1, they're bottom and top, then they are left to right, bottom to top, left to right. So in the series, they need to be bottom to top, and the only one, of course, there is B. So again, the answer is B. Very easy when you use that process of elimination. So now it's your turn again. Please put your answer to question 7 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here we go. Which shape comes next in the series? So you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't forget to look at this line as well, which is a bit of a clue. A, B, C, or D. Please put your answer in the comments section below. Here's your timer. Brilliant stuff. Now, well done. If you would like to learn more and try some more abstract reasoning tests, please click the link right now in the top right-hand corner of my website, of that video, and it will take you through to my website, mypsychometrictests.com. Okay, and you can get access for free for 30 days to my online testing suite, and you can practice an abundance of these and other kind of psychometric test questions under time conditions. And we'll give you explanations to the answers as well to make sure you progress. Like I say, free for 30 days. You've got nothing to lose. And the testing suite is compatible on iPhones, on iPads, on Macs, on normal computers. So please do get access to that. Thanks for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed that video. If you've got a job test coming up, tell me what it is in the comment section below. I'll be really interested to hear what you've got going on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you very much. And you know, I love the support you give me, and I really enjoy creating these videos. Good luck with your job test, and thank you very much for watching.